This is a leathered upholstered office chair in black. It has 360-degree swivel wheels and is adjustable. This chair can hold up to 300 pounds. This chair could glide nicely on carpet or tile. This chair is very comfortable, and I like that you could raise it up or down, and you can also move the back in a reclined position. The assembly was very easy. It only took about 10 minutes. This chair is super cozy, and you could sit in it for hours. This chair is very classy looking with a wooden back, and I like the way the leather upholstery looks. This is easy to adjust, and what I like about this upholstery finish is that it's really easy to keep it clean. Overall, this is a good chair to have at home or at work. Thank you, VIP Desk, for sending me this chair. I love it.